Hello guys, good afternoon. Today we are going to set up our Kia Picanto Awning here in SRP Seaside.
You just always been a tight rush that I've been laid back, yeah. I don't wanna skip steps, you know that. So if you're with it, then say yeah. I just need a little bit of patience. You need me, I know that you've been waiting. Down my number twice, promise I'll pick up the line. I see you worried, don't gotta ask.
So we don't have a camping schedule for this week, so we thought about putting up an awning here to relax and enjoy the view.
You were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me.
We are so lucky this afternoon because the weather is good and the clouds are very, very magnificent. Just perfect for an afternoon in coffee with a relaxing view of the sunset.
Can you stick through it with me or not? And it might take a minute, but we'll get it. The type of love that you want.
Our friends are here to join us this afternoon. Be patient and Sharika's travel vlog.
I know that you like it, you like it. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around for me. You said that you were down just yesterday, hoping you'll stick around and wait for me. I see you wanna come up, but don't switch up on me. Yeah, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you, I know that you. You said that you were down, hoping you'll stick around, hoping you'll be around with me. You said that you were down, 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 down. I know that you like it. I know that you, I know that.
Good night everyone. I hope that you enjoy the view as much as we did. Thank you again for watching.